Back up. Get off the steps. Let's go. Get back. Get back.
Get an ambulance for him. We have EMT on scene.
Wow. Obviously, that was a Black Lives Matter protest. This video has got around 51, 52 million views. The officers involved have been suspended. There's going to be an investigation. They're going to be looked into and some sort of justice to be brought to these officers that were involved. Now, the reason why I'm highlighting this is the Uyghurs in Chinese-occupied East Turkestan cannot tweet about videos like this, about their oppression, not to take anything away from the Black Lives Matter movement or from George Floyd. Whoever is committing this oppression, we should be highlighting it and using the tools that we have, like social media, to highlight injustices in the world. We have far worse videos that we could be sharing, but we cannot. As you can see, journalists are on the ground. I don't know what's happened to him, whether he's alive or dead or not, but we don't have that option. The Uyghurs do not have that option to tweet, to bring injustices about their oppression to social media. And even the Uyghurs that are living on the outside, trying to shed light on the issue, their Twitter accounts are being blocked. So yeah, I just want to highlight that. The Uyghurs cannot tweet. You can tweet, you can hashtag Black Lives Matter, you can hashtag George Floyd, you can hashtag I can't breathe. I'm all for that. But I just want to highlight, we in no way could ever record something like that and then share it with the outside world. And for those that support Black Lives Matter, you guys have a voice. I hear some people sort of comparing, what's happening in Hong Kong to what's happening in the United States. You can't compare that shit to what's happening in the United States, because at the end of the day, whoever is committing these injustices will be held accountable. You will be able to share your material online, on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. All these things are not blocked in the free world. You will not be held accountable. You will not be put into jail. You will not be silenced. You will not be killed. You will not be disappeared simply for sharing videos of injustices online. This is the big difference. Hashtag Uyghurs can't tweet. Start tweeting because you can.